MR-S40 by the Miregeotech Lab. A new era for the current GCP and SCP soft soil replacement methods. The current equipment, which are basically modified cranes equipped with vibro hammers, have presented many problems, not only in terms of performance, but also regarding stability, vibration, and noise issues. The new MR-S40 is an officially approved drill-type machine with enhancement in contact pressure and lightened weight, maximizes the mobility and minimizes the risk of equipment collapsing. It is a non-wire track-type force-lifting device, which can self-lower its mast for ease in assembly and disassembly. It is also favorable in countermeasures for emergency cases. The different diameter between the upper and lower mandrel allow the MR-S40 smooth penetration of the mandrel. The mandrel reaches the designed depth with excellent penetration force and forms a sand pile while repeating 2 to 3 meters of pullout and 1 to 2 meters repenetration. At this time, a stiffener is effectively compacted in the soft ground through the cone at the end of the mandrel using air pressure. Unlike other existing equipment that destroys structures and causes civil complaints due to serious noise and vibrations, MR-S40 has no vibration and has low noise, which allow it to be used near livestock pens, cultural properties, cities, and residential facilities. An operator can check and adjust the verticality and left and right inclination of a mast through a monitor within the operation room. The operator is able to check and save the installation depth and sand gravel amount by using the automatic recording system. The MR-S40 was developed using the technology of Miregeotech Lab, which is a company that's specializing in soft ground improvement. The excellence in stability and installation quality has been recognized and is currently being used as the main soft ground improvement method in many construction sites, including roadworks, railways, ports, and many more. The demand for the pleasant construction environment from safe, low noise, non-vibration, high-quality results by the MR-S40 are increasing day by day. Now is the time to lift your business to new levels with the MR-S40.